Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. So in deeper studies today I'm going to be doing Suratul Mulk ayah number 14. It's a short ayah. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Ala ya'lamu man khalaqa wa huwa latiful khabir. So let's look at the translation first. Allah says that how could he who created not know when he is the most subtle and all aware. So creator knows his creation. This ayah has a question that how is it possible that the one who created everyone is unaware of his creation. As mentioned in the previous ayah that Allah knows the secrets hidden in our chest and thoughts and our intentions are known to him. So we saw in the previous ayahs وَأَسِرُّوا قَوْلَكُمْ, even if you hide something that you say وَجْهَرُوا بِهِ, or you tell it openly, إِنَّهُ عَلِيمٌ بِذَاتِ الصُّدُورِ, Allah indeed knows what is hidden in the chest. And then أَلَا يَعْلَمُ مَنْ خَلَقَ وَهُوَ اللَّطِيفُ الْخَبِيرُ, is it not he who will know, who created us all our secrets, when he is Al-Latif and Al-Khabir. So let's look at the meaning of these two names of Allah, Al-Latif and Al-Khabir. So Al-Latif actually means the one who knows the most secret issues, the one who plans everything with a lot of care and wisdom. So just think deeply about this name, and then think about any problems that you will be that you're having in your life. Then think that Allah is Al-Latif and He knows the most secret issues that we have. And then the Allah's name Al-Khabir is, Khabir is the one who knows everything that was exchanged between everyone in every event that occurred. So just imagine just one gathering in which different people are talking to each other. So every two people who are talking to each other, what they're saying to each other, what is in their hearts, Allah knows. And this is for each and everything that is happening. Allah knows everything. He is Al-Khabir and He has the full news. So Allah plans everything in detail with great care and wisdom, and He do so because He knows everything and He understands the reality fully. So this is what this ayah means. Allah ya'lamu man khalaqa, will He not know who created us? Wahuwa latiful khabir, when He is most subtle, He knows everything, the detail of everything, and Al-Khabir, and He has the complete knowledge of everything. So this was ayah number 14. Inshallah I'll continue further in my next video. Till then, fi aman Allah.